you're looking at setting up a Google Ads Manager account, there's a lot of different benefits that you'll get that you won't get in a standard Google Ads account. So first thing is, what is Google Ads Manager account anyways? Well, it used to be called a Google Ads Agency account or Agency Manager. They've changed the name a bunch, which Google loves to do with everything. Like, it used to be called AdWords, now it's called Google Ads. The names will always change, but the platform is the same. So essentially, a manager account or an agency account allows you to manage multiple Google Ads accounts in one place. So in this account, managing 5 or 10 different Google Ad client accounts, and the advantage to that is you don't have to log into each of those accounts individually to see what's going on. It's all pulled into one place where you can easily see what's going on. So as a good example, you can see this notification here that says 4 accounts have no ads running, and that we need to accept the call and messaging ad terms in 3 accounts. If you were just, say you have a client and you get access to their ad account through your email, they just share access through your email, and you don't have a manager account, then you won't be able to see this comprehensive data about all of the campaigns, or all of the accounts that are in your manager account. So you'd have to go in manually and check, and who knows, maybe one of your clients didn't pay their credit card off, and so their ads stopped running, and you didn't know that. But as soon as you log into your manager account, you're going to get a notification saying, hey, look, 2 of your accounts aren't running ads because there's an overdue balance. Make sure to get that taken care of. 3 of your accounts have this other issue. So it simplifies everything into one place so you can get an overview of what's happening as far as like issues go, and then you can also see the overall performance. So let's say I wanted to just see how all my clients are doing this month versus last month. You can come here, you can select the date range, click compare, click apply, and then you can see the cost has dropped, conversions have dropped, cost per click has actually dropped, clicks have dropped. So you can see that overall performance across all of the campaigns that you're managing in your manager account. So if you don't have a manager account already, you can go set one up. I'll actually leave the link in the description below where you can go through and set up your manager account. And then it's pretty much the same. The only difference is, in order to add somebody to a manager account, you just have to get their Google Ads ID, which is the number listed in the top right corner of their ad account. If they give you that ID, then you can request access through your manager account. And then once they accept the access, then you'll have access through your manager account. So just slightly different the way you get access, but besides that, it's going to be pretty much the same, only you're able to manage multiple campaigns, or multiple accounts in one manager account. So if I click on accounts here, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So normally, all you would be able to see is the different campaigns that you're running. But here, these are actually different accounts that are in this manager account. So there's 7 accounts total. And I can just come in here and see how everybody's account's performing all at once without having to log into a bunch of different accounts. A new account every time I want to see what's going on. So I can come over here and look and see, okay, those conversions we lost were from this one campaign, or this one account. I keep mixing that up because that's how it works in a regular account. But you can see that this account lost 84% of their conversions, but that's because they shut their ads off. So that's one of these accounts that's no longer running ads. And so I can look and say, oh, okay, everybody else is, their conversions are up 130%, their conversions are up 105%, and it looks like a couple other people shut off their ads as well, so that's caused the conversions to drop. But getting that overall view of what's happening in your campaigns for each of your clients in each account with that overview is just extremely beneficial. There are also other added benefits. So like, for instance, a manager account cannot be suspended from Google Ads. So if let's say you have a client that shares access to their Google Ads account and it's on the same email as a different ad account that gets suspended, that could actually cause both accounts to get suspended. So this way, each of these accounts is totally separate, and if one of them has an issue, it's not going to affect any of the other ones, because Google realizes that a manager account is an agency and it's not actually owning any of these accounts, it's just managing the accounts. Hence the name a manager account. So there's all sorts of benefits. You can even use your manager account to get signed up as part of the partner program. So after you run a certain amount of ads and improve ads a certain amount, the optimization score, you can submit that to Google, complete a little bit of training, and they'll give you a Google verified partner badge that then you can put on your website to show everybody that you're legit and you've been approved by Google to run ads and that you know what you're doing. So lots and lots of benefits to setting up a manager account. If you own an agency or you manage multiple companies' accounts, definitely give it a try. Again, I'll leave the link in the description where you can just click through and get signed up for a manager account. If there's anything you had questions about in terms of a manager account, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comments section below. I'll be sure to get back to them there. And until next time, take care.